BOSC pears poached in spiced red wine and sweetened vinegar, served on a bed of greens with a tangy red wine vinaigrette. Serve as a starter or as a side with any entree. Let's make a perfect poached pear salad. This salad recipe is deserving of great praise for good reason. Number one, it is extremely tasty. I mean, like off the charts delicious. Number two, it is easy to make. We're gonna poach pears, we're gonna toss some greens, we're gonna do a vinaigrette, crumble cheese, sprinkle nuts, and serve. Super easy. Number three, you can serve it as a starter or partner it with your favorite main course. People absolutely love it. Enough said, let me show you how to make it. Let's start by poaching the pears into a medium-sized pot. I'm adding 1 bottle of red wine, 1.5 cups of water, 1/2 cup of apple cider vinegar, 1/2 cup of granulated sugar plus the juice from 1 lemon. Now we're gonna add a fragrant bouquet of spices. 8 cardamom pods, they are smashed, 8 whole cloves, 1 teaspoon of fennel seeds, 3 or 4 star anise, a teaspoon of whole coriander, 1 tablespoon of black peppercorns, and 2 cinnamon sticks. Everything is in the pot. Give it a stir to dissolve that sugar. Then we're heading to stovetop. Bring that poaching liquid to a boil, then reduce to simmer. Now for BOSC or Anjou pears, we're gonna peel them. You can leave the stems on, nice little detail. Then we're gonna immediately drop them into the pot of simmering poaching liquid. Pro tip, drop a coffee filter into the pot. This prevents the pears from bobbing and ensures they come out uniformly colored. We're gonna cover and cook for 15 minutes. While those pears are poaching, might as well make the dressing, in this case, a simple vinaigrette. Into a medium-sized bowl, we're adding 1/2 cup of extra virgin olive oil, 1/4 cup of red wine vinegar, 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 tablespoon of Dijon mustard, 1 tablespoon of maple syrup, a teaspoon of kosher salt, and then 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper. We're gonna grab a whisk and combine thoroughly. Pears are done, let's remove them from the heat. You can leave the pears to cool completely. So either hours later when the pears are cool or next day we can serve. We're gonna start by removing the pears from the poaching liquid. We're gonna cut them in half. Then remove the cores using a melon baller. You can set the poached pears to the side. Back to the salad, you're gonna need 2 heads of lettuce. You can use Boston or red leaf, frisée, romaine, or escarole. Tear the lettuces into small bite-sized bits. Give them a good rinse. We're gonna spin them dry. Then we're gonna spill them into a large salad bowl. You're gonna drizzle with about 4 tablespoons of the vinaigrette. Give the salad a toss. Now transfer portions of the salad to small plates. We're gonna do a sprinkle of chopped walnuts. We can nestle 2 pear halves right on top. Then we're gonna add a tiny bit of a beautiful blue cheese. I'm using a Saint-Agur. I take 2 forks to break off little bits of the cheese and then drop a tiny bit of cheese onto each pear half. Then we're gonna do a little bit of sea salt flakes, and how about a sprinkle of fresh black pepper. Good news, as mentioned, you can serve these individually on small plates as a starter course, or assemble the salad on a big platter like this and then bring it to table so everyone can help themselves. Beautiful, and you just know this pear salad is gonna be mighty tasty. Full recipe is up at weekend@thecottage.com. When you're visiting our website, please subscribe to it. Look for this video on our dedicated YouTube channel. You can subscribe to it as well. And then when poached pear salad is this beautiful, take a picture of it, post it on your favorite socials using hashtag weekend@thecottage on Pinterest, Facebook, and Instagram. Perfect poached pear salad. Spicy pear clustered with those gorgeous greens. It is perfect. Delicious. Enjoy.